My name is Sarah Wigington. I am the microbiologist at the Massachusetts Alternative Septic System Test Center. And right now we are in the MASSTC lab. A lot of the work that we do in here is focused on bacteria and virus removal from on-site wastewater septic systems.
We are a division of the Barnstable County Department of Health and the Environment. The test center was first established with the initial goal to design and test innovative alternative septic systems. The state Massachusetts DEP fairly recently released new regulations requiring specifically nitrogen removing septic systems in areas that have been deemed as sensitive areas.
The wastewater reuse is very exciting to me. We have really limited water resources in this country, especially in the southwestern part of the country. I would like to make the work that we do here meaningful for the whole country and protecting water resources.
Between the buildings, there's just test systems fit in just about everywhere. The nutrients nitrogen and phosphorus are really the leading contaminants causing water quality problems in both lakes and ponds and marine bays and estuaries across the Cape. People are trying to identify what the best available technology is. It's actually a term they use in the regulations. And so I think we're trying to help them figure that out. So this system is what we call a Woodchip Bioreactor. It's a two-part system that's designed for removing nitrogen specifically from wastewater. This is actually something we designed. There's no patents on this. Any engineer could take this idea and design this up and install this at a residential property. It's about 80 to 90% nitrogen removal. So this is one of our favorite systems on site here. Nitrogen is typically considered to be the limiting nutrient or the problem nutrient in marine embayments, whereas phosphorus is considered to be the limiting nutrient in freshwater bodies, so like lakes and ponds. The main mechanism for removing phosphorus in wastewater is mineral adsorption, so basically chemically attaching it to different types of minerals. So this is actually, these rusty looking iron plates here are actually part of a treatment system that does just that. We call these iron electrode plates. What these do is they get lowered down into a septic tank or a pump chamber adjacent to a septic tank. They have an electrical current going into them, which facilitates kind of the release of charged iron particles or iron ions into the wastewater. And then the phosphorus in that wastewater can then readily adsorb to those charged particles and either settle out in the septic tank or settle out in the leach field following the system. We have some really good technologies here and really think that we can see water quality improvement from that.